Hello, Sandra here from Createinspain. Today I'm doing another shortcut slot tutorial, one of my bites as it were, and this one is on duplicating and rotating. So I have a shape here, and what you want to do is go up to Object, and if you just click on the duplicate, well, I'll do it now for you. You can just do multiple rows of things like so, and you can group it if you wish. You can adjust the spacing between the rows, and basically that's it. That is pretty easy. So I'm just going to click on OK, and I'm going to move a whole bunch of these to one side because I'll probably use them for something else. There we go. So duplicate and rotate. Object, duplicate, rotated. So you can choose how they're duplicated. Number of copies, probably about 5 for example. Yeah, that will do nicely. Now I can do them clockwise, or I could do them counterclockwise. Obviously there won't be a difference in that particular instance. Just change that back. You can choose to rotate evenly or by a custom rotation of so many degrees. So I'm going to put this back to evenly because that's generally what I need to do. So you can rotate the horizontal offset like so, and put this back to how it was. And you can rotate the vertical offset like so. There we go. And group it at the end of the day. If you're happy with what you've achieved, you can group it. And then when you move it, it will move all as one object. So that is the duplicate and rotate tool.